Today we hear the word GPT everywhere. GPT-3, GPT-4, GPT-powered apps, AI tools, and more. But what does GPT actually mean? And how does it generate content so easily? Let's understand this in the simplest way. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Don't worry, it sounds complex, but it's actually very simple. Let's break it down into three parts. First is a generative. Generative means the model that can create things. It can generate text, email, code, summarize, stories, and even ideas. Just like how human writes an email after understanding the topic, GPT writes the new email by understanding the prompts. Next is a pre-trained. Pre-trained means GPT has already learned before you can use it. Think of a student who studies the books before an exam. During the exam, student doesn't learn, they only answer. In the same way, GPT is trained on a huge amount of a text like books, article and websites. So learning part is already done. Third is a transformer. Transformer is a brain architecture used by a GPT. It helps GPT to focus on important words in the sentence. When human reads, we don't give equal importance to every word. We naturally focus on the words that matters. For example, when we say, I went to the bank to deposit money, we focus on a word, bank and money. So we know it's a money bank, not a river bank or blood bank. GPT does the same thing. GPT uses something called as attention. It looks all the words and gives more importance to the words that matters the most. That's how GPT understands meaning and context. So when we say GPT, we mean a model that can generate the content that was trained on a huge data and uses attention to understand the language. GPT creates content by predicting next word, that is one word at a time. But because it has trained on billions of sentences, the prediction feels smart and natural. That's why GPT can write an email, explain concept, solve the coding problem, create stories and chat like a human. So next time when someone says GPT, remember it's just a smart model that creates a human-like text by focusing on important words. Thank you for watching. Follow Codeverse for more simple and animated videos.